Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to deploy your Node.js application to a Hostinger VPS. We'll cover everything from setting up the server to ensuring your app runs smoothly and stays online. Let's get started. First, you'll need a Hostinger VPS. Make sure you've chosen a plan that suits your application's needs. Once you have your VPS, connect to it using SSH. You can use a terminal on Linux or macOS, or PuTTY on Windows. Log in using the username and password provided by Hostinger. Next, we need to install Node.js and npm on the server. The easiest way is to use Node Version Manager, or NVM. To install NVM, use the curl command provided on the official NVM website. After NVM is installed, use it to install the latest LTS version of Node.js. Then, install PM2 globally. PM2 is a process manager that will keep your Node.js application running even if it crashes. Now, let's transfer your application files to the VPS. You can use SCP or a similar tool to securely copy your project directory. Place your files in a directory of your choice, such as /var/www/yourapp. Navigate to your application directory on the server. Then, install your application's dependencies using npm install. Make sure your package.json file is correctly configured. Next, configure your application. This might involve setting environment variables for database connections or API keys. Use a .env file for this purpose. Remember to add the .env file to your .gitignore file to prevent sensitive information from being committed to your repository. Now, it's time to start your application using PM2. Use the command pm2 start index.js, replacing index.js with your application's entry point. PM2 will automatically restart your application if it crashes. You can use the pm2 status command to check the status of your application. To ensure your application starts automatically on server reboot, use the command pm2 startup. Follow the instructions provided by PM2 to configure the startup script for your system. Now, we need to configure a reverse proxy using Nginx to route traffic to your Node.js application. Install Nginx on your server. Then, create a new server block configuration file for your application. In the Nginx configuration file, configure the proxy_pass directive to point to your Node.js application's port. Finally, test your Nginx configuration and reload Nginx to apply the changes. You should now be able to access your application through your server's IP address or domain name. Make sure your firewall allows traffic on port 80 and port 443. Consider using Let's Encrypt to enable HTTPS and secure your application with SSL. Also, regularly update your server's packages and Node.js version to maintain security and stability. You can also set up monitoring tools to track your application's performance and identify potential issues. That's it. You've successfully deployed your Node.js application on a Hostinger VPS. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more content, and consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by sharing this video with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let us know what other tutorials you would like to see in the comments below.